Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today's my birthday. Not the day that I came to this planet, but 22 years ago today I accepted Christ as my Savior. So October 28th is the day I celebrate as my birthday. Now, the best gift I ever had was Jesus. But beyond that, I got myself something, and that's why we're here. So, this is my new air ratchet. I just got it, and we actually put these on stock and we're selling them to customers. And I wanted to share it with you because, quite frankly, it's a pretty nice little ratchet, and it comes with a lot of accessories, and the price is so good. You're going to have to wait for the price. The price is so good, I'm beating Amazon. On this exact kit, with the bells and whistles that come with it, I am beating Amazon. Now, I can't give you free shipping, but quite frankly, I'm beating Amazon by enough you should be able to pay the shipping. So if you want one, contact me through the webpage, thecompressorguru.com. But let's open it up. I already zipped.
Wait, hold it up and let me see the front of that box.
I am sorry.
I've got it laying flat. Oh, a mini air ratchet kit. Built-in regulator, 3/8 inch drive. Wow, look at those pluses on there. Okay, honey,
Now to all the mechanics out there, there's one other thing on here that you go, oh, I'm not going to get my fingers pinched between the firewall and the tool. It's reactionless. So, it was taped here. I sliced it so that you wouldn't see me playing with the knife and cutting myself on camera. So, here's the tool. This is a Flexzilla 3/8 inch air ratchet.
Oh, I remember talking to the Flexzilla person.
Yep.
Yeah.
We go to a sales seminar called One-on-Ones, and Flexzilla was there. And he didn't mention this was coming, but it's here. So anyway, it's interesting. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is your built-in regulator.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, it comes with some quick couplers. I guess I need my knife again. I realize most of you are familiar with Flexzilla because of their hose and their hose reels. But like so many other companies, they're expanding their tool lines. Gear wrench used to only have those box end ratchet wrenches with the open end on one side, and that's all gear wrench was for years. Now they've got these really nice socket and ratchet sets. They're selling, in my latest tool flyer, they're selling drivers for, the small 1/4 inch impact drivers. They're really...
And I keep putting this together. I can't wait to see what it does.
Okay, well, I'm going to get the directions out and see what all it says.
Oh, wait a minute.
Get this on camera.
Get this on camera.
Oh, looky there.
It screws in.
That comes apart. Let's see. It is barbed. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to slip that back here. We will harden the hand.
You need help from the camera away?
No, I think I can get it, honey. Did I make the right face?
I'm not doing your faces. The other camera's doing that.
So I got that on there. I screw this down. That will not come off there. I will tighten that up later. And that goes over there like that. So we have opened the box. We have found several quick couplers, one male, one female. That's the male. That's the female. They gave us 2 plugs in the kit. They're identical. They're both female, and they are a push to connect. You don't really have some quick couplers. You have to pull back on the collar to get them connect. You just push these ones and they connect, and they're kind of fun. They pop out. Anyway, the way I'm going to set this tool up is we got a little swivel here at the end of this, and I'm going to put it into the end of the tool, and on the other end, and they give you all this hose, but you can if you only want 1 foot of hose, you can cut it here and put this piece on at that 1 foot mark. I'm gonna leave the whole hose on for now, because I can always take this back apart and see, I pushed it over the barb there. I can always take it back apart, and yeah, I'll tighten that up later before I use it for good. But, and on this end, I'm going to put a plug. And I'm pretty sure these are the same style plug that my shop already has. But that will go on the hose. And there you go. So folks, this is my birthday present to me. Now, I've teased you. This whole kit, $80. You pay the freight. Now that price is only good until the inventory at my warehouse runs out. Right now there's 288 available. I can ship anywhere in the contiguous US. You can contact me through thecompressorguru.com, and we can take your order. We're having to do it the old-fashioned way because we don't have the e-commerce turned on the website yet, but I can ship this anywhere in the lower 48, and I will check back in with you in a while after I've used it some and let you know just how nice it is. But it's a stubby, it's 3/8 drive, it's reactionless, and for all those guys that have the old-fashioned ratchet where you squeeze the trigger and it tightens up and it pulls you right in against the firewall, and then you're going, I can't get my fingers out, or you have to pull it back and maybe over tighten the bolt. This is reactionless, meaning when it tightens up, you just hang on to it and it doesn't drag you around. Nice feature. Anyway, 80 bucks, I can ship anywhere. I'll be back. I'm going to tell you in a couple weeks, and we'll give you an update. This could be a great gift for your mechanic friends. Guys, if you're watching this and you want one, throw the link to the video and text it to your wife or girlfriend, and just go, just in case you're thinking about Christmas. Yeah. Or Bud's birthday, you can send him another one. So anyway, this is the Compressor Guru. God bless you. Have a great day. And I'll be back in a couple weeks and let you know just what I think of this after a couple weeks of actual usage. Bye.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new episode is released from The Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a great day.